Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to set up a client onboarding workflow in n8n to streamline your business operations. First, I'll explain why this automation is essential, then demonstrate it live, and finally walk through each node's setup. Robust onboarding processes boost customer retention, but poor onboarding leads to 40 to 60% user dropout. In the software industry, digital onboarding can increase conversion rates by up to 50%, making this workflow critical for success. We'll use Airtable as our CRM and ClickUp for project management. Let's start with a live demo. I'll execute the workflow, which begins with a form submission. In the form, I enter name, John, company, John Doe, automations, email, service, AI customer care infrastructure. Submitting the form triggers the workflow. The workflow creates a task in ClickUp, branches based on the selected service, and creates a Google Drive folder for the client. It then generates a shareable folder URL, grants client access, and updates Airtable with the client's details. Refreshing Airtable, I see the record. Name, John, company, John automations, email, Google Drive, URL, and service, AI customer care infrastructure. Next, it composes and sends a welcome email to the client and posts a notification to our Slack channel. In Slack's sales report channel, I see alert. New client onboarded, John automations, Google Drive folder, URL. The client receives 2 emails. A welcome message, welcome to n8n John, we're thrilled to have you, with the Google Drive link and a Calendly link for booking an onboarding meeting. Now, let's set up the workflow step by step. Start with an n8n form trigger node to capture client submissions. Search for form in n8n and select n8n form trigger. Set it to trigger on any form event. Configure the form, title, onboarding form, description. Submit your details to start onboarding. Add form elements, name, company, email, and service. Drop down with options. Set it to respond when the form is submitted. Next, set up ClickUp. Create an account at clickup.com, go to Settings in the top right, and select Apps from the sidebar. Generate an API token, entering your password when prompted. In n8n, add a ClickUp node. Click the credential field, select Create New, and paste the API token. Name the credential and save. Configure the node, resource, task, operation, create, team ID, your workspace name, space name, team space, folder, name projects, list, name client onboarding. Set the task name, drag in fields from the form node. Assign the task to yourself and set the due date to 7 days from now using JavaScript. You can copy this or ask ChatGPT to adjust the days. Add an if node to branch based on the service. Set conditions. If service equals AI customer care infrastructure, take the true branch. Otherwise, take the false branch for AI sales infrastructure. Adjust for additional services as needed. Add another Google Drive node to share the folder. Set resource, folder, operation, share, folder ID, drag from the previous node. See my linked video for Google Drive credential setup. Add an Airtable node to update the record with the folder URL. Set to update record match by record ID from the first Airtable node, and set Google Drive URL. Add an AI node to compose a welcome email. Use GPT-4 with the prompt. Write a welcome email for client. Include a Google Drive link, a Calendly link, and mention excitement about working together. Drag fields from the Set and Airtable nodes. Add a Send email node to deliver the email. Set credentials, recipient, and body to the AI node's output. Execute to send. Add a Slack node to notify your team. Set resource, message, operation, send, channel, your preferred channel. Set the message, alert, New client onboarded. Review details in Airtable. Drag fields from set and Airtable nodes. See my linked video for Slack credential setup. Execute the workflow to test. Check Slack for the notification. Alert. New client. John Automations. Drive. URL. Verify Airtable and the client's email for accuracy. Customize the workflow by adding fields or actions like extra Airtable columns or additional notifications. This is a general client onboarding framework you can adapt to your business. I'll see you in the next tutorial.